Another question we get asked, and it's kind of a funny one for us, is do you offer a maintenance program? And the answer to that is yes. And we have a 3-tiered maintenance program. We have a basic, an enhanced, and a solar maintenance program. They're amazing programs. Some of them we're out to your house up to 6 times a year, depending on what we're doing. Some of them we're only out there 1 time a year. But maintenance is key. We're firm believers in maintaining things. We're firm believers in keeping it running for as long as possible. The last thing we want to have to do is major construction at your house where we're taking stuff all apart and trying to put stuff all back together, getting the city and the state involved. It tends to be an ordeal. So we'd rather maintain it and just keep it running. So yes, we do offer a maintenance program, and you have 3 choices to choose from.